Hello and welcome to
Ma Happy Meal.
Toy Review. Okay, and the toy number
Three.
3 is
Oshawott.
Oshawott.
Get what?
And see it. Okay, I open it.
Water. Okay.
Well, we just need a water to play.
Wait.
But we don't have water here, so you can't see how to play it. But
This. See,
like that.
like that.
Okay.
Okay. Different language they in the.
Okay. This is Oshawott and just up and down his tail to get a water. Up and down his tail to get a water
And
and
push down.
push down to pull the water. Okay. To push the water. Okay. Sorry, to push the water.
Baka
Okay.
abutin mo.
So, thank you and goodbye. This is the McDonald's Happy Meal toy review. Okay, here we go.
Oh.
I'm loving it.